Yo, welcome back to another video on the channel. Today's video is going to be on the Civic Type R. I'm going to be installing this puppy. I'll just pull this away. Look at that. I'll open this. It might give it away. Nah, I'm pretty sure this gives it away. Something that sits right here. So gassed. Honestly, I want. Hold in your excitement. Hold in your excitement. Nah, honestly, it's sick. I brought a carbon intake from Tegiwa. Yeah, let's get it installed. So first of all, let's get it unboxed first. I'm going to use the grass down here actually. So the main bit itself, I'll keep that. Obviously, which is the intake. Well, not the intake, the bit where the filter sits in. The main part. Then we have the filter with some foamy bits. Breather hose, I should have thought. Bits for the scuttle. What's this? Oh yeah, this is another bit of carbon. Bit sexual. The carbon scuttle scoop. I don't think there's anything in that because I have had this open once already. What's in here? Ah, the clamps and stuff you need. Put it down there. And the heat shield. Ooh, and a free air freshener. Do well, Tegiwa. Don't need to look at that, it's got my details on. Noddy, I nod tease you here. So, first of all, obviously, that's everything down there. We'll leave that there for a second. First thing I need to do is get that in the bin. Yeah, take it off, I guess. So, start off. Well, I'm taking stuff off. Some breather I need to take off there. I don't know where my tripod is, otherwise I would like do a little time lapse or something of me. Let's have a little quick look in the garage. I don't think the thing's in here. No. Yeah, I would do a time lapse of me taking things off, but I've only got literally meow. It might be in the van. If it's in the van, you're on luck. If it's not, then it's going to be a bit annoying of me just like cutting backwards and forwards. So let's check the old van. Oh yeah, this is, you can see the remnants of I did mention in my last video that I did a sump. Yeah, there's oil on the driveway and stuff. Let's have a look, have a little look in here and see if it's in here. So it is in here. I don't think it is. No. Okay, well that's unfortunate. Unfortunately, it's just going to be me. You probably can't see me because of the sun on the back. It's just going to be me, obviously cutting backwards and forwards when I've done things. A bit annoying, but I will find my tripod, and I will be a better YouTuber. So yeah. So back to your Civic. Oh yeah, last video you might have seen. Installed a new steering wheel. But yeah. Let's get back to this. So obviously there's a 10mm there, 10mm down there. Undo that, take that airbox out. I think this stays in because I haven't got the, so that should stay on really. But yeah, I'll start taking some stuff off and I'll cut back when I feel like I should update you on what I've done. So yeah, mint. Right, little update. So what I've done. Remove that plastic cover, intake boot, obviously Jubilee there, 10mm, 10mm. I was like, why the hell isn't this bloody little thing coming off? There's a little rubber, where is it? This little thing here. Is that something there? Don't know if you can see that or not. Oh, come on. Is there something there? There's a little 10mm, undo that. I think that should come out. And obviously, little 10mm here for the cold air intake air feed thing, and a little breather here. So hopefully airbox should come out. One big airbox. So that's obviously the airbox out. I found obviously I do need a rocker cover gasket, but it's a good reason. Well, it's a good excuse to take that off because obviously this looks all crap, and I have brought some. Where is it? Good old wrinkle black to do the rocker cover in, and obviously I can replace the rocker cover gasket as well because that's leaking oil, so not ideal, but is what it is. So that's the airbox out. Time to figure out how this all goes together. So let's do that. So that's the intake together. Obviously this pipe goes into here, bolts through. The clamp goes obviously from there to there. Piece of foam I put on the airbox, on the air filter, and then it butts up against the obviously carbon fibre bottom bit, but it's obviously not perfect, so it will seal it up. And then this clamp on here. I think it's time to put the heat shield on now, and then you've got to cut the scuttle for this to fit, which is obviously the parts in there. And I think that's literally everything. So I'm pretty sure this sits. I'm just have to actually show you, like, no. I don't actually know. I'm gonna maybe look at some photos and try and find out. Because I don't actually know how it goes. Right, so I figured out the heat shield. You use one of the old 10 mils, goes into there. There's a little bracket, obviously tighten that up, and you get a little 10 mil nut as well in the box to go on there. So that's how the heat shield should look. Stuff like that. Airbox sits in there, and then boom. Okay. Right, it's been a little while. I got fed up. I had some tea. I've come back. I haven't filmed it. It's been a bit of a bitch up as well. But yeah, I may have messed it up. I cut the hole too big, and I need a new scuttle now. So yeah, that's what happens when you just like go balls to the wall and don't look at anything. But here it is. As you can tell, may have cut it a bit too big. So here she be. Got all fingerprints over it. I'll give it a clean. Got the old little breather. Everything's plugged in. Everything's tight again, I'm pretty sure. I'll just double check everything. But yeah, that's the intake done. I ain't gonna bother filming me obviously recutting the scuttle and everything, because that's just boring. But yeah, probably hasn't been the most best video to watch if you're gonna want to fit one of these, but it's done, it's fitted, sounds sick. Actually, let's do a little sound test. I ain't got any fuel, so I can't keep it on too long. Where are my keys? I'm gonna go find my keys. I found said keys, they were in the drawer. So, should we give her a little start? Oh yeah, new steering wheel, looks sick. But as you can see, I have no fuel, so I can't leave it running too long. I'm going to give it a clean as well to make sure it looks nice and pretty, but I'm going to let it, I'll give it a few little blips. It is on cold start, but I don't care. Well, I do care, but it's nothing crazy. That's all I'm going to do really. I'll turn her off. Ooh. But yeah, I'm going to give it a clean, put the bonnet down, and when I can, I'll redo this. But for now, this is it done. It looks sick, but it's done. I'm probably going to leave the IV Tech thing off. Don't know yet, but you can get a carbon one, so I might get a carbon one just to go with the old carbon theme. But I'm probably going to get the old little silicone hose as well that comes with it, but all in time. Next mod will be the exhaust, but I've got to wait for that to come in stock because they're on back order at the moment on Tegiwa. The track friendly exhaust, and then the wheels probably after that, I reckon. But yeah, that has been today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. So yeah, I think I'm going to call it here. So stay tuned for more content, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya!